Good morning guys and welcome back to another vlog. Good morning guys and welcome back to another video. It is officially December, meaning that the holiday season is upon us now. And I have just the thing to kickstart this holiday season with. Beautiful Earth sent me this 12-day advent calendar and I'm really excited because I'm obsessed with advent calendar opening videos and I get to do one of my own on this channel this year. And the best part is this is actually a jewelry calendar. So we're gonna have 12 pieces of jewelry to open. So the thing about this calendar is that when you go on their website and you select this, you actually have a bunch of options that you can choose from to put into your calendar, and it comes in this 12 beautiful boxes. I've done it a couple weeks ago, so I kind of forgot what's in here, but that makes it even more exciting because I get to be surprised all over again. I don't know if I want to open all of them here or maybe just leave some for the next few days because I am planning to post much more than usual this month and I don't know if it would be fun to kind of do an unboxing every day. I'm also a little bit impatient, so we're gonna open quite a few boxes today, maybe 3 or 4. Okay, we're gonna go with box number 1 just because why not? We are not gonna go in an order. Has these beautiful earrings. I'm actually in need of earrings right now, so I'm gonna try these on. They have this black detailing on them, so it's a black and gold combination. I had a similar pair of earrings that I lost and I happen to wear them a lot. So I actually love these. Moving on to the second box, I'm thinking we do number 8. Let's see what number 8 has. Oh, number 8 has this beautiful gold ring. I really hope this fits. This is a size 6 and it seems that it does. I'm keeping this on today as well. Okay, we did 1, we did 8. Let's do number 9. What is it? Ooh, 9 is this beautiful, simple gold bracelet. And I remember when I picked this out, I did so that I could match it with my watch. I have a two-tone watch, gold and silver, but I don't have like a nice bangle to go with it. And also this one is just a simple statement piece that you can combine with so many outfits. We are going to do one last number for today and then I'm going to show you the rest in other videos just so that we have something to look forward to. We haven't done any of these bottom shelves here, so let's go with 11. Another ring set, and I know exactly which ones these are. It is this 3-tone ring. These 3-tone rings are all the hype. It is super easy to style, looks really good on the hand. I know there are a bunch of necklaces in here as well, so I'm excited to show them to you in future videos. But once again, thank you to Beautiful Earth for letting me pick my pieces and build my own advent calendar. I will put the link to this calendar in the description box so that you guys can access it too. But definitely a fun way to count down to the end of your holidays. Good morning guys, I am speaking to you from Amsterdam. We got here yesterday. It was a little bit of an impromptu, spontaneous trip. They just launched like direct flights from the city that we're at to here. And Art has been talking about coming here for a couple of months now, so he didn't ask me, he just booked the tickets and now we're here. We got here yesterday. It was an insane travel day. We had such a long wait time, but we got through with it. But we had a fun evening. We went to Soju Bar, which was really nice. You saw some clips of that from last night. Then we fell asleep. But I have to tell you, when I fell asleep, my back was hurting like crazy. I don't know. I feel much better today. I think it was just from a long travel day. Last night, I had one of the best sleeps I've had in a while, so I feel like a whole new person. As you can see, I'm ready. I already did my makeup and filmed a get ready with me for TikTok, and now I'm about to get dressed. I think I want to make an additional coffee first and then I'm gonna go get dressed. We have a bunch of plans for today. I have not made like any specific trip plans because this was Art's idea to come here, so it's kind of in his hands what we decide to do and what not, and I'm actually excited. It's nice to just turn my brain off and go somewhere. I'm having a blast, to be honest. I'm just vibing, creating my content, following around, seeing a beautiful city and just enjoying my time here. Today, as I told you, we have a couple of plans. Our first stop is to stop at an Apple store. Art's phone fell from a really high altitude, and he can't really use his phone anymore, so he wants to go see how long does it take for them to fix it, or if he can just exchange it, get a new one, something like that. But yeah, I'll show you my look once ready, and in the meantime, I think I'm just gonna make a coffee. By the way, guys, they gave us a triple bedroom. I'm not sure why. We were joking about it yesterday. This bed right here is my content creation bed because it has the light facing over here, and then over here is the actual sleeping bed. I wish I could give you a proper tour, but we've already made a little bit of a mess, so I don't want to have to show that to you guys. However, one thing that I do on every trip, as you've probably seen on the past few vlogs, is that I organize the closet and my outfits as soon as I unpack. And I'm particularly excited to wear this cowboy looking set from Mango. This is my only coat that I brought on this trip. It's also from Mango, really beautiful. I just got it and it's been super warm, so I hope that it keeps it this way. But yeah, I miss talking to you guys. I haven't posted, well, by the time you see this, the vlog will be posted, but I'm yet to post the Vienna vlog. I was planning to post it this weekend, but now we're here, so I have to make really good use of my time and be really good about finding time to edit, because I really want you guys to see it before this one. Okay guys, here's a quick outfit of the day situation. This is the full look, I guess. Forgot we had this little mirror situation over here, but yeah. Earrings are Mango, turtleneck is Lily Silk, pants are, not pants, coat is Mango as well, pants are Addicted. This is my Diet Coke bag, which I just got and I love. I can't wait to wear this one of these nights. And then my shoes are Vivaya. I have a code for these, it's Vina 30. So if you like them, you can get them for that code. My bag is a vintage Gucci. My first ever designer bag. I got it secondhand. I'm obsessed with it. It's still one of the best. But yeah, we are ready for day one. We stopped to get coffee at a really cute coffee shop. It's called Boca. We got oat milk lattes and I miss them. It's really good. But right before this, we went to Apple Store to see if they were gonna reevaluate Art's phone. His screen sensors are off, and they only valued his phone at 180, which was very low. So now we're trying to see if he can fix it, or maybe just trading for a new one, something like that. Yeah, but this is our waiting period here. We're trying to think of solutions. I don't even know, maybe a third of everything that's available here, so we're just gonna walk back to Apple and try a bunch of different things. I'll tell you what happened with the phone when I'm back at the hotel. Good morning guys, it is a new day in Amsterdam. I am just now getting ready to start the day. Today is supposed to be a day that is packed with activities. So to tell you about what happened yesterday with the phones, which was a story in and of itself, I broke his phone last Monday. We were happy that we were coming here because we knew that he could check with the Apple Store to see what the options were. It had been a little over a year since he had upgraded his phone last year, so he was no longer in Apple coverage. In the sales department, they told him that it would be 800 euros to fix his screen, just because they detected that it was a sensor issue, not just a screen cracking issue. So he decided there and then to just upgrade his phone, and they valued his phone at a really low amount. Like my 13 Pro Max was valued twice as much. He decided that he was gonna just upgrade his phone because he really needs it for work. He can't be without a phone. I told him to, regardless, go ask the specialists upstairs just to see what type of a fix is it, can we fix it, because if we can, it's still a new phone. So I did not want to just throw it away or sell it for much less than it is actually worth. And so we finished buying the new phone, whatever, and then he goes upstairs and they tell him that because it's been such a short time that his Apple coverage has passed, they will still offer him to fix his screen for free, which was crazy. And he texts me all excited and I'm like, okay, well, can you return this new phone? He decided that he doesn't want to. He was just gonna upgrade my phone instead. So right now we're with 3 phones, making sure we're migrating all the data and whatnot. I wasn't planning on getting a new phone this year because honestly I love my 13 Pro Max. I feel like it does everything a phone is supposed to do. Ever since I got my camera, which you guys see me through, I have not felt the need to upgrade my phone because I realized that the camera is the only thing that really sells a phone for me. Now I'm just waiting to get my hands on the new phone for myself, which will happen today during the day, and I'm excited. I guess a couple tips here. Even if you're in a rush, don't be without talking to the specialist because sometimes they might positively surprise you. And the other one is, if you trust the brand, then chances are you're not going to be disappointed. Today, we're on the hunt for another coffee spot. Well, actually 2 things. I want to find a nice brunch place. Usually on these trips, we try to not eat a lot. Paris was an exception. We tried to eat 3 times a day and it was always too much food for us. Because we eat home most of the time, the food that we eat outside sometimes just does not sit right with our stomach. We've both noticed, that's why I'm talking in plurals here. Twice a day is the perfect amount. So we were gonna have brunch and then probably we're gonna have dinner later during the evening. We're gonna do the brunch thing, then we're gonna go to the museum, and then we're probably gonna walk around. I still haven't taken any pictures, which is so unlike me because I try to make use of my travels in terms of creating content just because it's always new and exciting and something fun. So I'm planning to catch up today. Day in the city today. We have decided to switch hotels, so we checked out of our first hotel, which was in a really good location. Now we're moving to an airport hotel because we have a very early flight tomorrow morning. Right now we're just walking in the city. I don't know if you can tell, but the weather is absolutely amazing. We both feel very rested, but we're trying to make the most out of today given that it is our last day. And now we are trying to go to Boko, which was the coffee shop we went on the first day.